Hello guys, today I will show you how to make sushi in Inkscape. First we need to set our grids. Go to File, select Document Properties. Grids. Axonometric and press New. If grids is not visible, you can go to View and check Page Grid box. And don't forget to toggle on snapping. Let's start drawing. Select Pen tool. If your drawing is not arranged, select Node tool to fix it. Duplicate and go to Fill and Stroke to choose Pattern. Select Wave Pattern and pick a white color. We need to select Nori part and go to Path and select Union. Go to Path tab. Select Path Effects. And select Corners. Change radius to 10. And select everything. Go to Object and make them to group. And select our group. To clones, press Alt-D or select from right bar. That's it. See you in next tutorial. And please don't forget to subscribe.